Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I package and ship my greeting cards, especially when they are bulk and also when they are pop-up. So you guys will see what I do, so continue to watch. Remember, there are freebies in the description box down below, so you can check out that, and also remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So the first thing that I do is to place my cards into a sealer bag, a clear sealer bag. I did not crease it because I know that the person might want to reuse the bags, so I just leave it open just like that. I also did not crease the envelope, and also I added my business card inside of the card to ensure that they see it, because sometimes they don't really look inside of the envelope. They just want to know what's inside of the card itself. So I just place the business card right in the middle of the card. I also put my logo on the back of the card. So this is what I'm doing right here. So guys, I will place a link in the description box for you guys to check out the giveaway that I have going on until the end of December. If you enter, you have a chance to win one of these cards. You get to choose, as I said earlier in one of my videos. So right here I'm just fixing up the other card and put it together, ensure that it is neat so that it can fit inside of the box perfectly. So these are the two pop-up cards which I'm going to add later off camera inside the pillow bags. So right here I'm adding a thank you card, thank you box and thank you stickers to a sealer bag to place inside of the box that I am going to ship this into to give away for free, just to appreciate my customers, as some people would say, encouragement sweet labels. That's one of the things my mom and my grandmother would say. So it's good to give away things free when you're a small business so that customers continue to come back. So have to appreciate what people do for you, because without them you wouldn't have any sale. Without customers you wouldn't be making cards, making anything. So you have to show that you appreciate what they are doing to your business, especially small business like mine, where we are not really well known like the big companies. So yeah guys, that's it. So here are the two pop-up cards that I added to the sealer bag off camera, and as you can see, it barely fits in. But anyhow, I'm going to fix them together and ensure that they fix properly so that they can ship without any difficulties. So here's my packaging paper, and I'm going to take one sheet of this. I'm just going to use a whole sheet to wrap this up together. You don't have to use this wrapping paper, you can use different papers, just make it yours. By the way, these packaging papers, I got them from Dollar Tree, and also the sealer bags I got from Amazon. So if you want to purchase the sealer bag, all you have to do is to search on Amazon for clear sealer bags and the measurement that you would like to use. So guys, all I'm doing here is to ensure that everything are set in place so that I can wrap this up perfectly with some tape, some clear tape that I have in my stash. I use it to tape it up so it stays in place, as I said before. And here you have it. This is what I'm doing right here. So as I was saying earlier, that when I'm shipping my cards, some of the time I do not close the envelopes and the sealer bags, mainly because customers would like to reuse them to send off the cards to the individuals. So that's one of the main reasons. Otherwise I will close them. If I know the person like that, I will close them. Honestly, I'm not a fan of like wrapping gifts and all of that, but this paper was giving me one time to fix, so it took a little while, but eventually it turned out to be okay. I didn't want the tape to tear it or anything, so I was a little bit gentle. Please note that I'm not a professional when it comes on to packaging and shipping. I'm just learning, so I just do what I do best until I get perfect. So right here I'm just attaching a little piece of string onto the package so that it can also stay in place and for just representation more likely. Also I added a little art to this as well, just representation so that it can look nice and neat so someone can get excited about it. It's just whatever you have, just put it together. So this box is a box that I get packaging into from Amazon, and I decided that I wanted to reuse it to ship these stuff since I kind of know the person that I'm shipping it to, and it also saved money. And I also add some decorating crepe papers onto the inside of the box at the bottom, and then I added some on the top, and here you have it. I just sealed it up afterward. Then I took it to the post office and just shipped it off. Simple and easy. You don't have to add all these fancy stuff if you don't want to, especially if you're on a low budget like myself. I also get this at Dollar Tree, so it's not really expensive. It's $1.25. So if you wanted to, you can also add it. So here you have it, guys. Thank you all for watching this simple and easy little video about my packaging and shipping procedure. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend about Willoz Creation YouTube channel. Leave your comment down below of what y'all think and suggestions. I will see y'all in another video. Peace. I'm out.